Bentornata and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you are new here. So today we are going to talk about new makeup releases. It is a busy month. Lately I felt a little bit like guilty filming these because I'm just like not interested, broke, can't afford, like not worth, you know what I mean? And so, but now I'm like, there's so many launches that I am so excited for, so I can't wait to talk to them about you guys, and make sure you leave your opinions down below because it's part of my favorite pot. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, and let's jump into these. Alright, so I'm going to start with products that I am very excited about. If you know me, if you've been here, you know that the Natasha Denona, any of our palettes generally intrigue me. I did pass out on the... So rude. They always have to do that as soon as I push play. Someone has to drive by. But I didn't do the Biba palette, and I don't regret that much. But she is coming out with the Sunrise palette. I love the Sunset palette, and I'm really excited about this one. Like, I love that it's smaller pans and it's half the price of her normal $129 like eyeshadow palettes. I feel like this is just, I'm really excited, and I hope she keeps like deciding to do this. I thought my light was gonna like fall on me for a second there. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. The tones, that yellow, like I can't wait to play with this, and just yes, I'm so excited. But I'm really happy about the price. Mostly I'm like, that is a great idea. I've been really into like her mini palettes lately, and I just feel like the mini stuff is just way more consumer friendly. Like, I've never gone through one of her big palettes before, like hit pan on those. So yeah, I'm very happy and excited. I will say though, it does look a little bit like her minis. Like some of the like Christmas collection ones, they have a lot of those cranberry tones. So it'll be interesting to see if any of them are actual dupes or not. I will definitely be going over that. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload it. Next up, Jaclyn Hill. After waiting for years, she is finally, they actually launched today, so, and I know I already ordered, like, I was pretty controlled. I think I ordered 4, maybe 5 at the most. Don't make me feel guilty, okay? What do you want from me? I know I have this lip on right now, but I generally go for nudes. Say what you want about her, but I always love her nude lips, like the one, obviously not her brand. We will see about her brand. But yeah, I mean, I will talk about the experience of shopping through a website and all that stuff when I get them. And I hope I picked the right shades. That's the only thing that I was a little bit bummed about. Like, I don't love it when other people, like, all the influencers receive PR, because most of the time that means that you guys aren't going to be interested when smaller YouTubers like upload videos because you've already seen the review and swatches. But there were none, so I already know that like the ones like her favorites kit is not going to work on my skin tone. Like, they're just going to completely wash me out. So hopefully I pick the right shades that look good. Keeping my fingers crossed for that, and we shall see. So definitely happy about it. $18 wasn't the worst price, wasn't the best price. I don't think she can be like, you know, Morphe's such a great price and then like her brand is not low end. So I really hope that the quality is there. I'm excited though. We will see. Okay, I'm trying to hurry this up because my sister's coming over. We need to get caught up on The Bachelorette. But Jeffree Star is coming out with lip glosses, and I'm a little... Usually I get so excited for Jeffree Star products in general. Like, I can't wait for launches, and I'm usually all about it. But this time, I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's, I don't think it's the component, but like maybe the way he swatched them. It just made me not, usually I'm all over like lip products, but I don't know. There just wasn't any shades that I was like, I'm dying to get that. I can't wait. You know, like usually I'm very much like, ooh, I need that one, I need this one, I need that, which is not true. I don't need any of them. But this, I don't know, every time he did a swatch, I was kind of like, I know we have plenty of glosses, but I'm already like, oh, I have that one. I have something like that. I'm a fan of a few glittery glosses, but I don't need like a full range of glitter glosses. And then the ones that without the glitter were so sheer that I was just like, I don't even think those are going to really give color. And so I don't know, like maybe I'll pick up one in the future depending on how people review them, but I think I'm going to pass on the actual launch. Let me know what you guys think, because usually I don't feel this way about his products. Like, I don't know if it's the whole drama thing that put a bad taste. I don't think so. I think it's just literally like, because I'm excited for his summer collection when that drops. But yeah, the lip glosses just, it didn't pull me in. It just, I don't know. I don't know what it is. So I am going to pass on that for right now. Another collab I'm very excited about is Miriam and Pixie. I really like her channel. I like her personality. And I feel like she did a really good job on these like collab with Pixies. Like, she's releasing 2 different sets. I'm already like, I want both of those lipsticks. And then I've never tried their glitter eyeshadows, but I've heard really great things. I've just never picked one up because I'm like, $13, like, and it's supposed to be drugstore, but it's not really drugstore price. So I think the whole bundle is $18. You get a liquid lip plus that. So I'm like, okay, that's a great way for me to try it out. And I like the colors that she picked, and my Stila ones are long dead. They're dead now. They don't work. So I definitely need to replenish. And also Rach Loves, she is releasing a highlighter palette. I'm kind of iffy on the highlighter palette. I'm like, it could be really nice, or it could just be something I already have. You know, I mean, we all have champagnes now. So do I really need this? No. But it does look pretty, so we'll see. We'll see what the shipping for free shipping is, and then I will decide if I'm going to get the palette. But even the palette's not bad. I think it's $24, and you're getting 5 highlights in there. I just have a million highlights. It's bad. I have a million lipsticks, too, and bronzers, and everything you could possibly think of. I am a store inside this room. It's bad. And then let's see what else is coming out. I think those are all the ones that I'm like super like hyped for. ABH is releasing, I think it's already released, but they release a palette as well, and I don't know why. You guys know I love colorful like stuff, so it's the Alyssa Edwards palette. But I don't know, it just didn't look that great to me. Like, the colors look pretty, but again, like, I'm not someone who reaches for a lot of blues. And it just, I don't know why ABH isn't calling my name lately. I want them to. Please call me. But, yeah, lately I've just been passing on them. I don't know why. But yeah, I am going to pass on that. And then I'm also going to pass on, like, the shimmer oil. You know, you've heard my whole spiel on shimmer oils. Like, I think one done is probably good, considering I never actually wear mine. But yeah. Marc Jacobs is coming out with a summer collection line. I might swatch the bronzer in store. It is deeper than the last one, which is great. It should be. But I don't know if it's going to be, you know, it says it's catered towards darker skins, but we all know that that doesn't necessarily mean what it's supposed to mean. You know what I mean? So a lot of means. But I am going to look into it at the store. I'd have to really love it, though, for $49. Yes, you get a lot of product, but you guys know I've been kind of hoarding bronzers lately, so I kind of need a break. What is happening here? Like, what is happening? It just wouldn't straighten. My hair from up here just is not cooperating with me at all. Okay, and then ColourPop in true ColourPop fashion is releasing more products, and I love ColourPop, but you know, it's overwhelming. I've talked about this before. I just feel like calm down. You know, that would be great. But I was happy that they are releasing something a little bit newer. They're releasing blush and highlighter sticks rather than, you know, more eyeshadow palettes. So I think it's a cool idea. You guys just know I don't really use a lot of cream products, so for me this doesn't really like call my name. I'm kind of just like, it's cute. I could definitely see how people would love it. It's just, you know, it's not the product for me, which is totally fine because they will come out with something next week that will probably tickle my fancy, you know? And then Milk Cosmetics is coming out with a Sephora exclusive. I'm very happy that they're starting to be sold at Sephora. Anything I can do to get those points, I'm happy about. But I don't know about this. I think it's called Melt Impulsive. And it's the story of Milk Cosmetics. And it's like the swatches, one side I love, and then the other side I don't I don't like. Again, with the blues, I'm like, I don't need 2 more shimmery blues. Like, I'm very tired of shimmer blues. I'm okay with like tealy ones and bright ones, but like that deep blue, I'm just like, we've seen a million times now in every single palette, and there's 2. So I'm kind of waiting on it. I don't know if I love the layout either. It's like it closes and there's shadows on top and shadows on bottom rather than a mirror. And I'm just kind of like, it just seems like that would be messy. Like if you broke an eyeshadow, like you're screwed. You know what I mean? Like that's never going to go back into place and it's going to get everywhere. So the packaging isn't my favorite, but I do want to try Milk Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. So I don't know. I think we'll see. We'll see is what I'm going to say. Oh, Kaja Beauty is releasing some bouncy shimmer eyeshadow trios, and I've heard really good things about them. The new ones that are coming out feel like they're more intriguing to me than the other ones. I've swatched the ones in store and they didn't really impress me that much, but it was more like shade wise. Like I was just kind of like, these are very done. I already have a lot of dupes for these. Like I'll wait till they come out with something, but I do really want to try the brand. So I will probably swatch these in store and see, but I'm on the fence about them. I'm not like, I really need those, you know? But I do, like their packaging is just really cool. I love the colorful packaging and I do want to check it out. So we will see about that. And then lastly, I'm going to keep this kind of short. You know, I could ramble on and on about makeup products. I do want to try the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer that was released. Juvia's Place is like priced so well. But I get a little bit scared, like shade matching. I don't know why, but maybe it's just on the phone I use. I was trying to go through the shades, and it was so confusing. And I was just kind of like, I will go back to this. I'm going to pause on it, but it looks like a beautiful foundation. So I'm kind of on the fence. I'm waiting to see more reviews coming in. So if you guys have tried that out, definitely let me know. And then Huda Beauty is on a roll. There's products of hers that I'm like, yes, and then there's like, they're very hit and miss for me. Like sometimes I love her products and sometimes no. But I did like the Tantour product. I have been using that. I don't want to get her spray. I'm just not a matte setting spray or setting spray person. I'm trying to get better. I have the new Farsali one, and one is probably good enough for me. Like I really don't need to collect setting sprays considering how much I don't like to use them. I really only use them when I'm like going out all day, but I don't like them. So I'm going to skip on that one. But she released the lipsticks, which I felt like this range was way more up my alley than the last time she released them. I already got 2 nudes. I ordered them. So I have a lot of nudes coming this week. So, you know, just so you know. It's embarrassing. I will find a perfect nude. I don't know if that exists, but I will find, I don't even know if perfect, but like my perfect. You know what I mean? So I did get 2 of those, and then she's releasing these neon eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to order it. I'm a little bit nervous about it though, because I did have one of her other trio, like little ones, and I didn't hate it and I didn't love it. Like it was kind of in between, so I'm really hoping these neon ones are like just as pretty on the eyes as they look, but there really hasn't been any swatches. So fingers crossed that they're good palettes. I will definitely do a review on those as well. But I love the color story of them, so please be good. You know, don't disappoint me, Huda, okay? Also, there was $2 increase on them, just so you know, and I don't know why. Just putting it out there. Like, what's going on here? But, yes, that is it for me. I just wanted this to be a quick, fun, I just want to talk about makeup because I'm very excited about a lot of new releases, and prepare to see a lot of reviews this month, for sure. I thought my hair was going to do this cool thing where it like sweeps across, and no, it just stays in place. It's just like, we don't do that here. Like, my hair is just not meant for that. Alright. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys are getting, what you're passing on, your thoughts, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.